Welcome Farron's Quiz Answer Lock YouTube channel. Welcome to our exciting New Year's history quiz. From ancient traditions to modern celebrations, test your knowledge about New Year's customs worldwide. Challenge yourself, learn something new, and ring in the past with fun facts and festive trivia. Question 1. Which Roman god's two faces symbolize looking both to the past and the future? A. Jupiter. B. Mars. C. Janus. D. Saturn. Correct answer, C. Janus. Explanation. Janus is the Roman god of beginnings, transitions, and doorways, with one face looking backward and the other forward. Question 2. Which country was the first to officially declare New Year's Day a public holiday? A. United States. B. United Kingdom. C. Japan. D. France. Correct answer, D. France. Explanation. France officially recognized New Year's Day as a public holiday in 1582 with the adoption of the Gregorian calendar. Question 3. What traditional event happens in London on New Year's Day? A. Fireworks at Big Ben. B. A New Year's Day parade. C. Changing of the guard. D. Lighting of the Tower of London. Correct answer, B. A New Year's Day parade. Explanation. London hosts a spectacular New Year's Day parade featuring performers, musicians, and floats. Question 4. In which country do people burn an effigy called Old Man on New Year's Eve? A. Colombia. B. Japan. C. France. D. Greece. Correct answer, A. Colombia. Explanation. In Colombia, burning an effigy called Ano Viejo represents getting rid of the old year's bad luck and starting fresh. Question 5. Which European city hosts a famous New Year's Eve concert known as the Silvesterkonzert? A. Paris. B. Vienna. C. Berlin. D. Prague. Correct answer, B. Vienna. Explanation. Vienna's Silvesterkonzert by the Vienna Philharmonic is a celebrated tradition on New Year's Eve. Question 6. What ancient civilization is credited with inventing the 12-month calendar? A. Greeks. B. Romans. C. Egyptians. D. Babylonians. Correct answer, D. Babylonians. Explanation. The Babylonians divided the year into 12 months based on the lunar cycle, influencing later civilizations. Question 7. Which U.S. city hosts the annual peach drop to mark the new year? A. Miami. B. Atlanta. C. Dallas. D. San Francisco. Correct answer, B. Atlanta. Explanation. Atlanta celebrates New Year's Eve by dropping a giant peach, reflecting Georgia's nickname as the Peach State. Question 8. Which European country celebrates New Year with the tradition of smashing plates? A. Denmark. B. Germany. C. Sweden. D. Norway. Correct answer, A. Denmark. Explanation. In Denmark, people throw plates at friends' and family's doors to symbolize friendship and good fortune. Question 9. Which calendar was introduced by Pope Gregory XIII? A. Julian calendar. B. Hebrew calendar. C. Mayan calendar. D. Gregorian calendar. Correct answer, D. Gregorian calendar. Explanation. The Gregorian calendar was introduced in 1582 to correct inaccuracies in the Julian calendar. Question 10. What do people in Japan traditionally eat on New Year's Eve for longevity? A. Sushi. B. Mochi. C. Soba noodles. D. Tempura. Correct answer, C. Soba noodles. Explanation. Eating toshikoshi soba, buckwheat noodles, symbolizes a long and healthy life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through New Year's history. May the new year bring you joy, prosperity, and unforgettable memories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.